So today we got this Jaguar F base in for electrical fault. So basically the story behind this was that the customer came to me and he was like, he wants to replace one of the intercooler pipes. But I told him, yeah, I'll do it. However, it looked like to me on the diagnostic scan that it was misdiagnosed because the fault was for the intercooler coolant pump open circuit. And I just advised him that, you know what, I'll replace it for you, but I will not guarantee that the fault will be fixed. So he said to do the diagnostics again and take it from there. So this fuse here, the 15 amp fuse, is for the charge air cooler coolant pump, and this one's the relay. So we checked the fuse is fine, the relay is also okay. So next we're gonna just strip all these out and check the wiring which goes to the pump. What you do then is you take off this air filter housing, then you take this off, you pull that off. Alright, so then there's a 10mm here. Let me put the flash on. So you got this 10mm, take that 10mm off, and you should be able to pull this one out, and then we can reach to the wiring for the coolant pump, which is right there, and that coolant pump is for this charge air cooler. So what happened was the customer wanted me to replace this one. Apparently there was a crack, and also he's worried about this leak. However, this leak is not the cause for the limp mode. The limp mode is caused due to the electrical fault, which I am now diagnosing. So guys, I found a broken wire in the wiring which is for the coolant pump, and that took a while because I used the this signal probe detector to find out the break in the circuit. Alright guys, so I'll show you the broken wire for another fault I found. There you go. There is a broken wire there for the metering valve for the fuel pump. That is buried deep inside. And another thing I found was that this car had gone for an engine replacement at a different workshop, and you can see there's a bolt missing there. So an update on this Jaguar, I found a couple of things. So this connector was broken, the wires were broken, and there's another one here which is connected to the fuel pump, the wire is broken. And on the under tray I found two broken bolts, 1 and 2. As you can see guys, I've repaired the connectors. I'm gonna extend the wires a bit and then I have to solder it.